Catalytic converters are one of those car parts that most people only hear about when it goes missing, or their mechanic offers a bill that could pay their rent. Aaron, in this case, isn't a brand. He's the metaphorical everyman who just wants to know, what is this thing, and why is everyone stealing it? First up, a catalytic converter is basically the bouncer at the club under your car. It doesn't let in all the toxic stuff from your engine's exhaust. Instead, it uses platinum, palladium, and rhodium to convert carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons into safer gases. Without it, your car would spew out about 90% more pollutants. Now, here's the catch. Those precious metals inside, worth more than gold by the ounce. That's why Aaron, and like 3 of my neighbors in Portland last week, wakes up to the sound of a Sawzall at 2 a.m. It's big business for thieves. If your ride suddenly sounds like a monster truck the next morning, congrats, you've joined the My Cat's Gone club. Aside from the noise, if you don't fix it ASAP, the check engine light comes on, your fuel efficiency drops by about 40%, and you fail all emissions tests. Replacing a catalytic converter isn't pocket change. We're talking $1,000 to $2,500 for most vehicles. You could buy a lightly used mountain bike for that, or, pay half your rent if you live in a Portland studio. So, securing your converter is literally protecting your bank account. Here's where Aaron, and everyone else, feels the squeeze. Insurance companies aren't always helpful. If you just have liability, you're toast. If you have comprehensive, the deductible might make you rethink driving entirely. Pro tip: some cities offer engraving programs or lock plates. It's not ironclad, but it makes you a less appealing target. If you're thinking DIY replacement, prepare for a reality check. These things are welded or bolted onto your exhaust system. Mess it up and you're inhaling exhaust or setting off car alarms down your block. Unless you love tetanus shots, leave it to a pro. Some people swear by catalytic converter theft shields, which are basically anti-theft armor. For $200 to $300, you put a physical barrier between your wallet and a would-be thief in the night. If your local area's cat theft rate has hit double digits, this is a must. The real pain point, though, is the ripple effect. Without your catalytic converter, you might think, hey, the car still runs. But over time, you're killing your O2 sensors, damaging your engine, and risking fines of up to $2,500 for failing emissions tests. Even more if you get busted polluting. Another thing Aaron and every car owner should know: hybrid vehicles are targeted the most. Their converters are often less used, meaning more platinum and palladium intact. Prius owners get hit especially hard. Yes, because your car is green, the thieves are drooling. A quick step-by-step to peace of mind. Step 1. Check your car's clearance. The higher it sits, the easier to steal. Step 2. Park in well-lit, high-traffic areas. Step 3. Slap on a theft shield or get your converter etched with your VIN. Step 4. If you have a garage, use it. Trust me, preventative measures can mean the difference between a good morning and a $2,000 migraine. Aaron may not be a real person, but he symbolizes every one of us sick of surprise expenses and systemic car crime. Protect your catalytic converter, and you're really just protecting your peace of mind.